Today I'm going to tell you why the Porsche 911 will get the manual transmission option back by 2026. Unless you've been under a rock, you probably know that Porsche introduced their new 2025 911 Carrera and GTS models without a manual transmission as an option. In the past, both the base 911 Carrera and Carrera GTS could be optioned with a stick shift. But does this mean we should panic?
This is the perfect time to panic!
Porsche has announced the 992.2 generation Porsche 911 Carrera and Carrera GTS. These will replace the outgoing 991.1 models. More 2025 Porsche models are expected to be announced this year. However, for the 911, the Carrera S is likely the only model to get a 2025 model year, and based on the Carrera and GTS models, it won't include a manual as an option. When Porsche was asked if a 2025 model would be available with a manual transmission, they couldn't comment on any future announcements, but they did confirm that currently 2025 models will not be available with a manual transmission. Nervous Porsche 911 enthusiasts that want the latest car with a manual will likely have to get a 2024 992.1 generation model. A quick check of Porsche's website shows that you can still get a 911 Carrera T, Carrera S, and Carrera 4S available with a manual transmission. If you can find a GT3 or ST, you can also get those with a stick. In fact, it's the only option with the ST. Some dealers may also have leftover stock of the 2024 Carrera and GTS. Porsche claims that 40% of 718 and 911 models are currently optioned with a manual transmission. While the numbers aren't broken down for just the 911, that is a significant percentage of their sales. We have also seen this happen before. From 2013 to 2017, the Porsche 911 GT3 could only be purchased with a PDK transmission. Fortunately, Porsche saw the light and brought back the manual transmission option, but will history repeat itself again? Based on what we know, Porsche will likely bring back that manual transmission for the 2026 model year. However, this may only be for some higher-end, more focused models like the GT3. There's a high likelihood that the Carrera, Carrera S, and GTS models will continue to be PDK only into the foreseeable future. The PDK is an incredible option and a better transmission than the manual, but the idea of buyers no longer having the option would be a shame.
Come on, it's like the end of an era!
The thing is that the future Porsche 911 Turbo S has potential for insane horsepower. So check out this video about the present and future 911 Turbo S engine advancements.